So guys, you are gonna listen a call recording for a scam, and at the end some words were exchanged too. You can understand why. So basically this scam is happening in USA, but I got a call too, although I'm in Canada. So what they do, they say they are from Experian. Definitely they are not, and Experian is a credit rating agency, we know. So they want they offer you a very low interest offer on your credit card so that you can pay your balance smoothly. This is all scam, so don't fall into it. I'm just telling you the modus operandi. Then they tell you you are going to listen it fully. Then they tell you that okay, you need to verify some details, then we'll give you this offer. So first they ask you to confirm your card expiry date, then they ask you to confirm the 16 digit card number, and then they also ask your date of birth and postal code. So guys, postal code and date of birth, these two pieces of information are very important, because even when you contact your customer care, they ask these details to verify you. Okay, so that's very important. Then they say ask you to provide them the 1800 customer care number. So basically what they could have done, if I would have given the correct details, they would have called them, they would have made some purchase, blocked the card, changed something, anything they could have done. There is like too much of scam going on. So protect yourself. Nobody is going to reduce your payments like that with an automated call. Okay, like first you get an automated call, when you press one you go and speak to these scammers. So protect yourself guys. Listen to the full call recording and also let me know what you think about it. Thank you.
I'm good, thanks for asking. So the purpose of this call is to inform you that your profile was picked up for review by Experian to reduce the interest rate on all of our existing credit cards on the basis of a good credibility and a good payment history. And I believe you know what Experian is, right?
Yeah, that's a credit rating agency.
Exactly. So here I can see as a consumer, you are doing an excellent job. You have been up to date on all of your accounts. And in fact, sometimes you try to pay more than a monthly minimum, right?
Yeah, I do.
All right. So that is the reason why we're having this conversation on this call today, so that we can take you out of debt as much as faster by giving you the lower interest rate. So that way more money will go towards your principal instead of your interest. And the new interest rate that you will be getting is less than 6% for the lifetime of your balances, okay?
And what about the duration? Like how long it's gonna be 6%? Like
As
if
I told you, it's for the permanent basis, like the lifetime
okay,
of your
so my
balances, and
question is,
whatever
for
it takes.
example, I get a bill for this month, okay, and due to whatever reason, I am not able to pay the whole amount. So next month, as
All
per the
right.
current situation, I gotta pay because you said 6%, so it will be 6%. But this 6% interest would
No,
stay
sir.
for how long?
It's less than 6% and very close to zero for the permanent basis.
So that
Whatever
means even
time you
if I
take to pay
pay,
it off,
so
like
for example, even if I pay 3 months, 4 months, or 5 months later, still I am gonna pay
yes,
at the reduced rate, right?
yes, sir.
And whether this rate is gonna vary, like on first month if you do it something, second month higher, third month higher, is it gonna be
No,
like that or
sir.
it's gonna be
This
fixed?
no, sir. It's 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 a still rate. There's no fluctuation in that. If I give you my words that it would be less than 6% and very close to zero, for it will be for the permanent basis, like the lifetime of your balances. Whatever time you take to pay it off, it would be 3 months, 4 months. You will have the lower interest rate on your accounts. Okay.
Okay. So what do I have to do
So,
for that?
sir, do you have any idea how much you owe between all of your existing credit cards collectively?
I have two. So for one credit card, I paid the bill yesterday in full, so there is nothing. In second credit card, it's gonna be around 600 something. I don't remember the exact amount. 600 something it will be.
600. All right. So, is that your Visa or your Master?
I have both Visa.
No, and which you owe 600. Is it
Visa.
Visa or the
Visa.
Master?
Visa.
Visa. All right. So, as a next step, I'm going to pull out the most recent billing statement from our database. We will let you know the balance you owe, the last payment you made, and the due payments required. And accordingly, we will let you know how much rate reduction you can get on your account, sir. Okay?
Okay.
And in order to pull up this statement, I just need to make sure that your Visa card is still active and valid for the lower interest rate. So is there any way you can grab your card and verify me the expiration date on it? Just a month
Just
and the
give me
year
a
only?
minute.
I
I
can
will
hold
just.
the line for you.
Yeah, just give me a minute. I'll do it for you.
Take your time, sir.
Yeah, I have my Visa card.
Yes, sir.
So the expiry date is 11/23.
11/23. So do you have your card on you right now?
Yeah.
All right. So kindly go ahead and verify me the number over the front face of the card in the bold letter after the number 4 over the recorded line, so I can pull up the statement.
Okay, sure. It's
Make sure after the number 4.
after the number 4. Okay. So 724
Yeah, go
085
ahead.
724 0854 6798 0987.
Perfect. So I want to make sure the card is under your name. You're the primary signer of this account, right?
Yeah.
So kindly verify me just the last 4 of your social. Make sure the last 4
Last 4 of my
social security. Just the last 4.
social security. We are in Canada. We don't use social security number.
All right. And if I with the zip code where you receive your bills and documents?
Yeah. So this one, like postal code, you are asking, right?
Yes, sir.
M1L 4P2.
All right. What's your 5-digit postal code is?
In Canada, you don't have 5-digit postal code. You have it a combination of letter and numbers. It's like 6. So for me, it's M1L 4P2. It's in Scarborough.
M1L
4P2.
4P2. Got it. And do you guys have any social security?
No, we
Like,
don't
what's
use
the
social
last four of
security
your
in
social?
Canada.
I'm sorry?
We don't use social security number in Canada.
Oh, you don't. Okay. And you take care of the finances for this card. Is that correct, sir?
Yeah.
Perfect. I want you to verify your date of birth.
Date of birth. Okay, it's November 2, 1988.
Thank you so much for that. And on the back side of this card, you must see 1-800 numbers so that I can provide you your account statements for this card.
1-800. No, it's not a 1-800 number.
On the back side of the card, you'll see the customer service number to call the credit card company.
Oh yeah, 1 second. I'll tell you. I placed my card back, so I gotta pull it out again. Yeah, it's 1800 983 8472.
Alright, I want you to be on the line for 1 good minute. Let's go ahead and try to pull out the statements for this card, okay?
Okay, sure. Thank you. So guys, I have put other line on mute. These guys still did not understand that I was pranking them. Let them find out the statement. All the details I have shared till now, absolutely wrong. Let them find out.
Actually, sure, the thing is that the card number that you are providing for the TD Visa card is actually incorrect. I want you to have a look on the card one more time and read it back to me so that I can make sure there's no any errors.
सुन 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 तुमको क्या लगता है मैं तेरे को डिटेल दे रहा हूँ सही से कॉल मत काटना गाली गलौज नहीं दूंगा तेरे को सुन ना भागना मत
गांड मार दूंगा तेरी पड़े हुए
अरे मादर चोद आना सामने